welcome to our bakery. Today, I'll show you exactly how bread is baked step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The vigorous kneading increases the dough's hydration, strengthening the gluten network for a perfect rise.
Every batch is monitored to ensure consistency and perfect rise.
Every loaf is checked before it leaves our bakery.
And that's how bread is baked, on start, from start to finish.